Hi, Cheryl. Cheryl, what dress are you wearing today?
Unicorn dress.
You're wearing a unicorn dress. And what's that on your dress?
A rainbow.
A rainbow. Wow, so it seems like this is a Rainbocorn dress. Is this a Rainbocorn dress?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the Rainbocorn big hair surprise. And it has some super sassy hair you can style. Wow.
It has pink, blue.
So how many surprises we have inside? We have 30 surprises.
I'm free.
Yeah. Okay. So what else do we have over here? The most hair amazing Rainbocorn ever. We have 3 of this that we can collect. 3 different Rainbocorns that we can collect. So we have this and we are going to see which one we have among the 3 today. Yes, Cheryl?
Yeah.
Let's see what surprise we have in there. Wow, that looks super cool. Wow. Oh, what is this? It's a toucan.
She's squishy. And you're so cute. I love your big tummy heart. Gotta show how you fly.
Thought I think you can put it there. Or you can put it on your head. I think it's too big for your head. Oh, you got a real nice squishy. Wow, I like the hot tummy it has. Right?
Big tummy.
Yeah. It's got so many colors in the eyes and it's so big. The eyes.
It's
There. Can't you see it between the hair?
I can.
Yeah, that's the one. She looks amazing.
She's going for America. The next surprise, I'm a ghost.
Yeah, it's time for the next surprise. It's 1 surprise, 2. And is that a collector guide?
And cheers.
Okay, so you're opening the first surprise. What's that? Wow! That's a hairbrush! Show me what's that, Cheryl?
Maybe tangles.
Oh yeah, maybe, yeah. Okay, and then you have a hairbrush. You have a mirror in the hairbrush. Can you see that? Let's move on to the next surprise then. Let's open the next packet to see what's there. Okay, so now the next packet. That's a charm bracelet that you can make yourself. That's a nice long hair with a hairband.
Look at that. Rapunzel hair.
Yeah, it looks like Rapunzel hair. But yeah, it's blue and not gold.
And it looks like. Oh, sorry.
You have nice long hair now. Okay, so the next surprise is already on. Oh, you have some stickers there. Wow, that's beautiful stickers.
I love stickers. It's so cute.
It's a tattoo. Wow, nice tattoos, right?
Little cutie animal.
Okay, so let's open the next surprise. What's left?
This is the stamp thing.
This is the last surprise, Cheryl. Ooh, you have another hair extension. You can make your hair even more long now. I think you can use it for the boo-boo-corn. Eggies! We have the 3 eggy surprises inside. Woo!
Hello. Let's play.
We have the 3 boo-boo corns. Wow, what color is the gemstone?
Golden.
Wow! So what do we have there? You have a kitty!
It's a pink. Oh, look at the cute wings and look at the cute eyes. Okay.
Wow! That's a beautiful ring! Okay, so let's open the next one.
Very pink. It's blue, right?
It's blue! So you have collected all your 3 baby boo babies.
Right. My diamond ring is so beautiful. I love it. The next,
Oh, that's a very beautiful one.
like the candy. I look at the cute baby. It's so cute.
Wow, look at this. Look at the toucan corn. She or he looks beautiful. And you got some nice stickers. And then you have 3 baby boo-boo corns. Wow, show me your finger rings, your diamond rings. Yes, and your necklace. Show me your necklace.
I'm gonna save all my baby